Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you another video of how to defrag your hard drive. It's actually, I think it's a little bit easier because you can set it on a schedule and pretty well forget about it. So first thing, you go to Internet Explorer or Firefox in my case. Type in Smart Defrag in Google, and it should be the first link, Defragment Disk Smart Defrag. Click it. And then you'll see the Smart Defrag icon. Just hit the download button. It's in orange. Hit download now. Get your save confirmation. So go ahead and save it. I've already done that. So once it's saved, go ahead and install it. Then you'll get this window once it's fully installed. Like I said, you can set on schedules. I have mine on schedules for certain drives. If you want to know how your drive is looking, if it needs to be defragged, just pick your drive. My drive for Windows is not actually C, it's D. 95% of you guys, it'll be C. It's supposed to be C. I just have mine on D for there's specific reasons, but we'll get into that later. So just hit Analyze. This can take up to about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes to do an analyze. Defragging obviously takes a lot longer. Okay, as you can see, my drive is pretty well screwed. It's 33.66% fragmented. So how we fix that is you hit close, make sure it's checked again, and you can go to either defrag only, which is what I use, or fast optimize or deep optimize. What you want to do is defrag only. Once that's done, you can go back and do a fast optimize or a deep optimize. But you definitely want to do a defrag only. So hit defrag and click start. It's going to do another analyze. Then it'll start the defrag process. Okay, YouTube, as you can see, I'm almost done. It's taken so far, I think, about 45 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and let it finish, but oh, there we go. Okay, down here it gives you all the happy details that it did. See, it's not enough something or another. Not enough space. Oh, alright, well, that's probably true. As you can see, I only have 1.63 gigs. So definitely make sure you have more space. I didn't realize that when I made this video, but if you have plenty of space, you'll be fine. It'll go ahead and give you the report and show you everything that it defragged. Then you can go by and do your fast optimize or deep optimize, whichever one you want. That'll take, again, probably another 30 or 45 minutes to do one of those. Then once you do that, I believe you'll be probably a lot happier than with this program than with the Windows default. So just go ahead and hit auto defrag. Then you can click enable auto defrag. It'll automatically defrag when the system, or pause, I'm sorry, when the system exceeds 30% of CPU usage. That you can check by hitting Control Alt and Delete. And this is the actual usage that you'll have. So as of right now, if I didn't just do a defrag, it would be doing it in the background because I haven't quite reached 30%. Now if I open something here, you'll see that it just jumped to over 50, now it's 40, so it's, it's got to stay above 30 for a little bit. Not a huge amount, but probably 30 seconds to a minute before it'll actually pause. But as you can see, it's going through and probably doing an auto defrag in the background. It hasn't really slowed my computer down any. And you can set this, if you want to go up or lower. I usually keep mine at 20. So you want to make sure this is checked. And then also check start auto defrag when the system is idle for 10 minutes or less, whichever one you want. I set mine for 10 minutes. If I'm not on it for 10 minutes, then it can do whatever it wants, So just hit, once you get all that set, hit apply. Then you can go down here to schedule also. And you can enable scheduler for my drive R, which is where all my software and stuff's installed. Hit schedule config. I can go through here and hit schedule. You can change it to weekly, daily, whatever time you want, whatever days you want. Then just hit OK. You can do that for all your drives or just one in particular. And that's how you use Smart Defrag. So I never defrag my drives, mainly because I can't remember I don't remember when to do it. It's one of those things you just don't think of. So that's where this little handy program comes in. It does it for you. So I hope you enjoyed that, YouTube. And again, as always, if there's anything that you want to see how to do or you don't know how to do, just leave a comment. We'll try to make a video for you. And have a good Christmas and have a good night.